Hi nature friends, don't let those herbs that you grew this season go to waste. Things like basil you can go ahead and harvest and make some pesto with, or you can dry them. I'm going to show you how to make nice dry herbs so you can have them all winter long. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and harvest some of these nice delicious chives, and we don't want to cut too big of a chunk because we want them to dry, and if you cut them too big in a big wad, then there's a lot of moisture. It takes time to dry, and then I'll show you what we're going to do with them next. Okay, so our next step is we're going to cut a piece of twine, and we're going to take these chives that we just cut, tie a little knot around it, pull it tight, and then tie it to a hanger. These are some herbs I did earlier today. Tie a nice little knot there. And then you have this beautiful little herb hanger, which makes a nice harvest accent, and you can hang it anywhere in your home. I typically like to hang it in the kitchen on the chandelier above the table, but because it smells nice too, but anywhere that it's dry and sunny. Okay, so once your herbs are dry, this is some beautiful oregano I dried, and it depends on how dry your house is, but I let this dry for probably about a week or two, and you could do this any time of the year. Harvest season seems to be the time when I'm like, oh my god, I didn't keep any herbs, so I'm a little bit more diligent. But you just simply take your fingers, scrape them off, and they smell delicious even while you're doing this. And you go ahead, so you get the idea, you just go and try to take out any stems that seem to come, and then you gather them, and you can do it on a paper towel too, and sometimes that makes it easier, and you put them into a jar. I'm famous for saving jars because they come in so handy. But anyway, you put all this into a nice jar. Oh, they smell delicious. So this is beautiful oregano. Make sure you label it so you know what you have in the jar. And if you want delicious spaghetti sauce, put this in. Yum.